Your GPS to black-owned spirits.
It is day 11 of VEDA.
It's not day 11, baby. It's day 12.
Day 12 of VEDA.
Don't short us a day, baby. This is day 12 of VEDA. God, thank y'all so much. Well, budget that. It's way over there in the cup. Don't even worry about it. Yeah, thank y'all so much for rocking with us for the past 12 days, guys. It's so refreshing to know that y'all been rocking with us heavy. Heavy.
Y'all been pulling up.
Yeah, we ain't got 1,000 people in the thing, babe, but we got a strong, steady group of people that have been checking us out, and we love and appreciate y'all, guys.
We're just happy y'all enjoying what the ideas we're coming up with on a day. Y'all should see us over here.
You know, we create a YouTube channel where we can highlight, showcase, recognize, show love to black-owned spirits. And so for the next 31 days of VEDA, now we probably got, what, 19 days left?
It's winding down.
It's winding down, y'all. For the next 19 days, we're going to be showcasing cocktails using black-owned spirits, guys. Y'all make sure y'all go check out the previous 11 joints. This is day 12. This is the 12-1 meet. Tell them what we're making, baby.
So today we are making a Manhattan, but it's different today because, you know, it's Fridays, wind down after a long week. We're making it a
his and hers. So for the first time, y'all, and let's dispel this rumor too, guys.
Please do.
Let's dispel this rumor, baby.
You feel me? You feel what I'm trying to tell you?
We're not drunks. We're not alcoholics. We don't drink. Well, that's a lie. We drink every day because we're doing VEDA, but normally, guys, we may drink once a week.
Every day.
I'm gonna get to that.
Okay.
So, like, we don't drink every day. For the next 31 days for the month of August, we've been drinking, making a cocktail every single day. But on the norm, dog, we drink once a week. Maybe on a Saturday. Yeah, maybe on a Saturday for our live stream, guys. But we don't. So we just want to get that out of the way, guys. It's not like we get drunk every day. Y'all come over here. We may have juices and stuff like that, whatever.
I'm gonna offer y'all some juice or a soda before I offer.
And if y'all notice, and we're gonna bring this up later on, so y'all make sure we may do a little trivia. Y'all notice we only been drinking one glass. Today's the first time on purpose, y'all. For this can be the first video where we can do his and her. That's only because it looked good. And I think my wife gonna do a damn good job in making the drink, guys. But I just want to get that disclaimer out the way, guys. We don't get drunk every day, guys. We just want to support black-owned brands and spirits by making cocktails, using them, giving you that black option. It's all about hashtag black option. Without further ado, guys, let's make a Manhattan. Alright, guys, so there you have it. A his and her Manhattan. Cheers to all the subscribers, all the watchers, everyone who's been tuning in, guys. While we was on break, while we was switching sides,
while we were transitioning.
Right, we got some more subscribers. So now we're 5 away from 200. So again, thank you to all the new subscribers that's been tapping into us, guys. But this drink is to you. We love you guys. Let's toast. This one's not something gonna be, sip that thing, baby, take that thing to the head. This is not one of them sip them things.
Now you don't want to say sip that thing.
No, this
sip
is,
that thing.
Again, this is that drink when you leave a meeting, you leave a meeting, you at a bar at the hotel.
This one, this
you
a
going down
drink.
Yeah, this
a drink, you know you don't want that junk, but just drink it.
You don't like it?
It's okay.
This is one of them drinks. Y'all seen it in the movies. You at the hotel, you in town for business, you go downstairs to the hotel bar, and again, you get your nice little something. This that thing you're gonna sip on. You have a nice conversation. Me and me discussing business, our next trip, the Meet Not cruise.
This is a conversation.
This is something you're gonna sip. This that 30 minutes to an hour conversation drink.
Like, you not gonna finish your drink? Yeah, I'm finishing. Like that.
This is definitely a sip. It reminds me of a sexy old fashioned.
It does put you.
It's like a lady's version of an old fashioned.
Yeah.
You got a little. Mine, I put a little orange peel in. Got a cherry.
I'll tell you something.
The sweet vermouth. Do we even talk about the ingredients? Oh yeah, it's the ingredients. Yeah. So the ingredients is pretty much it's three ingredients, y'all, to a Manhattan. Yeah. It's whiskey or bourbon. It's sweet vermouth. And some dashes of bitters. That's it.
Oh, that's probably what's setting it off a little bit. It might be the bitter.
It's the bitter. Okay. It's the sweet vermouth. Sweet vermouth tastes like a wine, like a little Moscato, like a red wine, like called sweet red. Old fashioned has the simple syrup or the sugar cube. So I think the sweet vermouth is replacing this. If not, this would be an old fashioned. So you get a little wine taste. So it's a sexy old fashioned. For y'all who may not drink, like again, we're not drinkers. But if I would compare this to something, it's a female old fashioned. Taste mine, baby. Well, it's same thing. Let me just taste yours. Let's switch. It's not bad, baby.
You like mine over yours?
Taste the same, but I'm just saying,
maybe it's the glass difference. Maybe gave you a little more. I don't know.
But that's it, guys. I hope y'all like this recipe.
No. We hope you love this recipe.
Y'all subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell, that beep, so you can stay notified whenever we drop new content. Guys, turn that notification bell on all.
Make it jiggle.
The man hand kicking in, baby. But guys, make sure you follow us on Instagram, Sippin with Me and I, so you can stay alert on our community, the stories and our posts, so you can see all the videos and the companies. We get a lot of inbox from a lot of different black-owned brands, so we happy to hear about that. Hopefully, we do some partnerships. Not partnerships like be business owner, but no, we can review them and we can meet them and have them come to the table to chop it up. So I'm excited about that. Shout out to all the companies. I won't mention the names yet till we actually
actually closer.
Absolutely. And tell them the website, baby.
It is Shop Me and I for our custom merch. Again, it is shopmeteandi.com.
So you can get the Sippin with Me and I. You got this double glass, you got the single glass, you got the Me and I cups, you got the Dope in Real Life, you got the God First shirts. Let's not forget about the God First. Go on buy your God First. That's it, guys. We love y'all, man. We see y'all tomorrow for day 13. We out.
Thank you.